Jacaranda FM.
Martin, baie ouens vra vir my, hoe berei jy jouself voor vir 'n cruise party? You're gonna have to have a Titanic stand, so daai ouetjie. In die fliek, met die wind en die goed. Go and research your Titanic stand, gaan kyk die movie, kyk hoe werk het, kyk wat Leonard Adio gedoen het, when he grabbed the girl by the love handle keys. Check how that thing worked, copy it, you have to have that moment on a cruise ship.
What are you doing up there? We have to start the show.
Shh. Give me your hand. Close your eyes. Step closer.
Closer to where?
Onto the railing.
Oh.
Step up. But keep your eyes closed.
Oh,
and
I'm
don't
sorry.
peek. Step up on the next railing. Are you flying?
I'm flying, Jack.
I'm on top of the world.
Once more, you've opened the door.
Jacaranda FM.